Did you know a chance of showers forecast can quickly become a homeowner's nightmare? Imagine the Smith family in Tulsa, relaxing as gentle rain begins to fall outside their window. Outside, a small puddle forms right by their home's foundation. At first, it seems harmless. It's just typical Oklahoma weather, right? But soon that puddle grows, seeping into cracks. The water soaks walls, wilts garden beds, and sends the Smiths into a panic. Water threatens their basement. Their wallet is at risk, too. Just 1 inch of standing water can cause thousands in repairs. The storm seems to be winning, until the hero arrives, the French drain. This smart, hidden system channels water safely away, turning soggy yards into lush green lawns. Christian Irrigation installs these quietly powerful solutions, defending Tulsa homes from costly water damage. Next time you hear chance of showers, remember how quickly water becomes chaos and French drains stand guard. Safeguarding your home and peace of mind. Trust Christian Irrigation's French drains for Tulsa homes.